Well, the Dow Industrials were less than a half of 1 point away from that historic and psychological level of 20,000 before they pulled back.
But the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ closed in record territory on Friday. So the question is, when will the Dow get that record 20,000? We asked Rob Morgan, Chief Investment Officer at Sethi. Good morning, Rob.
Hey, good morning, Lauren.
Okay, Dow 20,000, when?
I think we're going to have a great earnings season, and I think we are going to hit Dow 20,000 at some point, but my crystal ball is just a little cloudy on whether it's going to happen this week or not. As you know, we've had this tremendous run since the election. It wouldn't surprise me to see the markets consolidate a little bit here, maybe mark time. So maybe it happens this week, but I definitely wouldn't put money on it.
Oh, it's interesting. So, you know, the idea here is that earnings season is coming. Earnings are looking better. The momentum's still to the upside. Rates are going higher. But we have a lot of headlines this week in addition to earnings, a lot pertaining to President-elect Donald Trump. His first news conference on Wednesday and a slew of confirmation hearings. Do you think those headlines could put a damper on things or give a boost to things?
I think so far that obviously the equity markets are encouraged by policies that could come out of the administration this year, and I don't really see any of the news coming out this week from the administration is necessarily putting a damper on things. But at the same time, equity markets may have gotten a little bit ahead of themselves with optimism. So I'm not thinking that the equity markets will be goosed higher necessarily by reports this week.
Last time we spoke, Rob, you suggested that you think there might be more than 3 interest rate hikes this year.
I do. I think that, and certainly that's above market consensus, Lauren. I think there could be 4 hikes this year, and I think it's caused mainly by earnings growth being so strong and the economy being so strong.
And will that hurt the economy?
Well, you know, there's always this old joke about the Fed taking away the punch bowl before the party really gets started. But historically, stocks continue to rise even for quite some time after a rate hike campaign.
Rob, when you talk about what we're seeing with jobs, we just got wage growth. Good sign, right?
Oh, absolutely, Nicole. I think that that's probably, if there's a fly in the ointment here, continued job growth and wage growth was good.
And we like that. Rob Morgan, Chief Investment Officer at Sethi. Thanks.
Thank you, Rob.
Hey, thanks.